Well, that part of it's done. Got the auto switch here, 200 amp, new meter can, 200 amp service upgrade from 100 amp. So we're done there. Generator is in place, so we're good to go there. Got to get the gas and a starting battery for it. Got a Renai tankless water heater. We're going green. I'm talking green. And I got a little mini solar system up here. I just use it as a backup. It'll run my router, my modem, one computer, 2 monitors, and the printer. I don't think it'll run much more than that. It might run a fan, but other than that. And anyway, the solar part of it, there's two, I think they're 4,000 watt peak inverters there. Well, I don't know if I got anything on recorded. My battery went dead almost as soon as I got out there. This is my first coin. It's a nickel. I also found a couple toys. If I can get a hold of them. Get this thing out of the way. Here we go. One was a John Deere. Little flip cargo bed, I guess ATV. And the other was there it is. That's me. There's another glove in there. I was thinking it's probably underneath. There it is. The other one was some sort of snowcat or something. It's got tracks. Hot Wheels. This John Deere is a John Deere made in China. Okay. Well, get on with it. Well, this is the first water hunt for 2018, and it's actually the first freshwater hunt for my Sea Hunter Mark II. We got this on here. I'm sure I showed you that. This thing works like a champ. I like that better than having a Raptor handle, because I never can seem to get it where I want it. You know, whether it's in the water or on the land. Anyway, here's the take. This was actually a freshwater hunt. I guess I told you that already. A couple bottle caps. Cool little John Deere ATV with with a working dump bed. It's actually in pretty good shape. John Deere licensed product, made in China. And this is some sort of a, I guess a track vehicle of some sort. Maybe some sort of snowmobile or all-terrain vehicle, I don't know. And look at the nails. Must have been something right in the middle of the one spot I was hunting. But if you look in here, there are, where are they? Yeah, is that one? Yeah, no. Here we go. That's a big old square now. So I don't know if that was just old or was concrete. There's the top of another one here, I believe. Yeah. So I don't know. It is what it is. Trash. These are the kind of things you can pick up with the Sea Hunter, though. And Boubet pins, they come in good. 1 nickel, 3 zinkins, an earring back, and a magnificent earring. Oh, crusty, rusty hoop earring. It's definitely a junker. I don't know what that is. That's strange. Looks like maybe something off a kid's toy or something. Maybe broke right up in here. I don't know. Maybe a fire hose off a fire truck or something. And then 2 quatas. And that's it. That was it for this hunt. But I'll tell you what, I thought the water was going to be colder than it was. Wasn't bad.